Today we're going to talk about something we use every day in steel erection. Leverage tools. This includes everything from sleever bars, wrenches, cheater bars, pipe wrenches, and also slings and hoists when used to apply leverage for positioning or for aligning steel. While these tools are essential for getting the job done, they also pose significant risks if we don't use them correctly, especially when we're working at heights or with heavy suspended loads. The principle of leverage is simple. It's a small force applied over a long distance, and it can move a large load. With that great power comes also great responsibility. Misusing these tools can lead to serious injuries, damaged materials, and even equipment failure. So why is this important? First, injuries, sprains, strains, broken bones, crushed fingers, cuts, and even head injuries can occur from slips, falls, or uncontrolled movements. The risk of falling from height or being struck by falling objects is something that's going to significantly increase in erection. Also, property damage, bent or broken tools, damaged steel members, compromised equipment. Also, lost time. Injuries mean time off work, impacting production and impacting your livelihood. So, what are some key safety points for leverage tools? First, choose the right tool for the job. Don't use a wrench as a hammer, as tempting as that may be. Don't use a screwdriver as a chisel or as a pry bar. Select the correct size wrench or socket for the fastener. A loose fit can cause slippage and injury. For heavy lifting, aligning, or moving large steel members, always use proper lifting equipment. Cranes, hoists, come-alongs, or whatever you need like that in conjunction with or instead of manual leverage. Manual leverage should supplement, it should not replace mechanical advantage for heavy loads. Then also inspect your tools before each use. Check the tool for damage. Are there cracks, bends, or excessive wear on sleever bars? Are wrench jaws worn or spread? Are handles secure and free from splinters or damage? Also, never use a damaged tool. Tag it out and report it for repair or replacement. Then also maintain your stance and balance. This is critical in steel erection. Always position yourself so that if the tool slips or the fastener breaks loose, you will not fall from height, swing into machinery, or be struck by sharp objects or moving steel. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, maintain a stable base, ensure you have secure footing on beams or platforms. Push, don't pull whenever possible. If you must pull, brace yourself against a stable structure and keep your body clear of the line of force. Also, cheater bars. Generally speaking, unless they are approved and controlled, you need to avoid cheater bars. Adding a pipe or an extension to a wrench, which is, we all know, a cheater bar, significantly increases the force, but also increases the risk. This practice can overstress the tool, causing it to break, or overstress the fastener, causing it to snap. Only use cheater bars if they're explicitly approved for the specific tool and task, and ensure the tool is designed to handle the increased torque. Many tools are not. If a fastener is too tight, consider heat, penetrating oil, or a larger purpose-built tool like an impact wrench or something else. Breaking a tool or fastener at height creates a severe falling object hazard. Also, be aware of pinch points. When applying force, keep your hands and fingers clear of any areas where they could be pinched between the tool and the workpiece, or between the tool and another object. This is especially important when aligning steel members. Secure your workpiece. Ensure the steel member you're working on is securely connected, braced, or otherwise stabilized. An unsecured or partially connected workpiece can shift unexpectedly, leading to loss of control, drop loads, and severe injury. Communicate and coordinate. If you're working with another person on a task requiring leverage, especially for alignment or fitting, communicate clearly. Ready to pull, clear, watch your hands, beams moving, ensure everyone involved is aware of the potential hazards and the planned movement. And then know your limits. Don't overexert yourself If a task requires excessive force, stop and reevaluate. Is there a better tool? Do you need assistance from another ironworker or crane operator? Fatigue increases the risk of error and injury, particularly when you're working at height. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Take the extra moment to think before you act. Choose the right tool, inspect it, maintain your balance, and be aware of your surroundings and the specific hazards of working at height. If you're unsure about the safest way to use a leverage tool for a specific task, ask your supervisor. Steel erection is an inherently dangerous business. By making sure that we use leverage tools correctly, we can minimize the risk that we are enduring as we try to continue to put up steel.